Hey everyone, welcome back to ResinistaLisa. Today I'm going to be preserving some flowers, dried pressed flowers, into epoxy resin. I have a thin layer of resin already poured, and I'm just going to gently place them on top of that resin. I have them upside down. Originally I was going to do a different colored backing and ended up changing my mind later. But I'm using the orange and yellow in the first one, and then this beautiful purple in the second. I'm going to let these cure for about 4 hours, and that would be adjusted depending on the resin that you use. This is Paduo resin that I'm using. I poured in a thin layer on the holder, and I found that if you press the flowers, or the leaves in this case, against the edges, it holds them in place. So you can go ahead and just do this in one pour as opposed to two. But with the resin coasters, you will need to do 2 layers because they just float to the top. So this is the next day. I'm going to go ahead and demold these, and you can see that the leaves stayed in place. And you just fill it in. I absolutely love these. It's a perfect opportunity to just add that splash of color to any room. And they're so beautiful. You can dry your own flowers at home. I use a food dehydrator on the lowest setting. These specific ones I actually ordered on Amazon, and they're just gorgeous. I have had no issues with them bleeding or fading. I love them. So thanks so much for all of those that have subscribed. And if you don't mind, just go ahead and like and subscribe for me. It sure helps my channel a lot. And special thanks to Brenda for buying me my first coffee. I hope you like this video. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you have any other further questions, please put them in the comments below, and I will respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. I'll be adding the links to all of the items that I used in the description below, my Amazon links, and I will see you in the next video.